We're finally here in McAllen, Texas, guys. I'm gonna be waiting here for my boss. He's about to pull up. We did the same route and we're gonna be chilling here in McAllen. But this truck stop is really full. There's trucks right there next to the pump, next to that pump, next here. All the parkings are full. And I don't know where he's gonna park. He's actually supposed to park next to me, but I got the last parking, so let's just wait and figure that out. Actually, this truck is leaving, so let me try to hurry up and disconnect. Yeah. Drop the airbags, put it in drive. Sometimes when I'm not driving with my trailer, it feels kind of weird. Like I forget the key. Sometimes I feel like I'm still a rookie, man. Which is true, like you never stop learning. You know, sometimes we have good days, sometimes we have bad days. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bow. Alright guys, so if you guys see me wearing the same clothes from my previous video, I'm actually starting a new video. So, yeah, it's not that I'm dirty. But I am gonna, I did get some, I need to clean my semi-truck too. I did get some dude wipes for showering. I'm gonna put them to the test right now. It's my first time. I'm about to use it. I'm about to go home right now to my parents' house to go shower. But I just want to try it out, you know, so I can see on the road if it really works or not. Before I leave, I always like to do this. Always clean. Gotta get rid of everything, man. You know, before I had a little one, but I upgraded to this one, and like I like it because I could literally reach back to here. The other one was like literally like from there to my seatbelt thing. Like it was so small. This one has to be in all the places. Directions: grab one, scrub down your face, body pits, and dude regions. I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna just do my face and my arms. So I'm gonna go home right now. There's no point. Let's see. Dang, not gonna lie, these feel so refreshing. Or anywhere traveling, get these. This is not a sponsored video. Alright guys, my boss just got here. That's him right there, aka my parents. Alrighty, I saved the spot. Now it's time to go to my spot. Actually, I think we're gonna take this truck to my house, because tomorrow we're going to the mechanic. Let me find out he don't know how to park. Let me find out. Well, I'm gonna just wait for him right here, cause we gotta dip in a bit. Actually, we're gonna dip right away. My boss asked this guy that was parked next to me if he could switch some spots, cause what he's gonna do, he's gonna put my trailer that I disconnected next to his truck, so our truck's like this. And then he's gonna disconnect and put the trailer between the two, no, put the truck between the two trailers so that it doesn't so that it don't get it towed, because we don't know how long it's gonna take at the mechanic shop. And honestly, I never seen trailers at the mechanic shop, so yeah, so we're doing that right now. Shout out to this guy though, man. He's a cool guy. This is the guy that said what's up to me with the alien earlier. He got looks like I don't know if it's a Kenworth. Oh, it's a Western Star. Okay, and that's my boss right there. So they just swapped like this, basically. I remember when I barely started trucking, one thing about me is I seen trucking more like a job, like a clock in, clock out thing. And I feel like at this point in my life, I literally, yeah, like I basically live in my semi-truck full time. And I remember when I was local, I was a youngster, I was 19. I just wanted to go to work, come back out, like literally rush to going home. Like, I couldn't wait. Well, buddy, you about to hit me, man. But yeah, guys, now with life, with time, you realize that that's not what it's all about, like rushing to go home. Like with trucking, I realized that you either gotta love it or it's gotta be in you, so you don't feel that like type of feeling. So anyone watching that's wanting to be a trucker or a trucker, let me know if you were the same. But if you're someone that's like that right now, I just recommend you to change your mentality, because eventually you won't really last in the trucking. And you gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. And I've been dealing with that for, well, not no more. Sometimes when I've been out here for like a month and it's time to go home, you know, it's that last load and you just want to go home. But yeah, man, times have changed, man. Started trucking when I was 19. Now I'm 25. Wow, time flies being a truck driver, man. Hey. No, lo compré. Mire, déjese lo enseño. Está completo. Ahí lo pongo. No. Ahí lo pongo cuando paso la inmigración. Nada, nomás se ríen. Pero ya me están pasando a los X-rays, porque piensan que está lleno de cosas. Oh, that's what I meant, guys. So he wanted to put our trucks like that, and then his truck is putting it in between so that we don't get towed. That's the example I was trying to tell you guys. Some of you guys are visual learners, just how much as I am. It's 10 in the night. Guys are echando mecánica. Oh yeah.
¿Cuál carro es el que anda mal?
El mío. Como que el clutch dice que ya se está chingando. Es automático. This is this truck right here, guys. Nice. Ahí nos miramos. Gracias. Ahí nos miramos. ¿Tú traes tu celular y todo? Sí. ¿Cómo te gusta mi tropa?
Nice. ¿Me lo vendes o qué?
¿No? Pero todo el camino sí lo hace.
Guárdale.
I just got to my parents' house and I am going to reverse, but yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the morning when we drop off the truck, and let's see what happens, because I guess right now the noise wasn't doing it, but it's because I don't have my trailer, so I don't even know. See you guys tomorrow. We're officially on our way to the mechanic shop. Let's see what they tell us, if we're gonna leave it or not. And yeah, guys, today is Tuesday, and Texas heat, it's 103 right now. I'm feeling the heat. You know, as a Californian, when you travel and it's hotter somewhere else, oh my God. Getting all my stuff down. I don't know how long it's gonna be in here. Goodbye, baby. No. Bye, baby. Take care, please.